My bands come in a set with 5 bands. You get 5 of these bands. They have that hooks to a handle, and then it comes with the door holder that looks like this. And you're gonna put the band through, so it's like this. So when you see me hang in my gym, I hang them to a ceiling because I don't have a door. So my husband had to put hooks in my ceiling and my wall because where my camera is to where I work out, that space, I don't have a door. But you have a door because you can move your phone around and you can bring me to anywhere you work out. So I'm gonna show you how. My door here is really tall for this video, so I had to get a ladder. And your door might be shorter, so this part, the butt, goes on top of the door. And you close it. So you see, okay? Then you're gonna fish this, see? Got it? And so it looks like that on your door. Depending on the exercise we're doing, let's say we're doing lat pull down, you can get on your knees, pull. If we're doing straight arm, same thing. Bands are at the top. You're gonna stick your hips, butt out. I would use handles and you pull. Pull. There's one way to use the door. Another way, this fishes through the door on the other side. Then you close the door. Let's say we're using upper body, shoulders. I always tell you in the video where to put the bands. In this case, I put the bands at my chest level. And then I'm gonna step back and pull. Do triceps. See? These bands hook all over your door, so that way you can work your entire upper body and pretend like we have a cable machine. This is the second band that I also recommend using when you're purchasing the 11 set band. And this band hooks to the door the same way, since you already have the hook. Push it through. This is for extra strength, same way. See? This is how you get my bands, and it comes with 11-piece set, ankle strap, handles,